For all your garage door needs in Wirral and Chester, look no further than County Garage Doors Limited. We design, supply, install and repair all well-known brands of garage door, both manual and automated. Choose from steel, wood, up and over, roller, sectional and remote control system doors, or low-maintenance GRP doors in a range of finishes and materials to enhance your home. We can assure you of a fast, friendly service, and all work is guaranteed for your peace of mind. Call us for a same-day quote. In emergencies, we'll give you a quote within the hour. Contact us today for advice at County Garage Doors Limited.